All right, here we go. What up, YouTube? We're back. We're actually live streaming this right now. We've been live for how long? Almost 2.5 hours. So, yeah, anyways, what we did during those 2.5 hours is we went over, I did all of my TA live, okay? I did all of the TA live, and then now we're about to just do like a quick little video going over exactly what we came to the conclusion of. So, we'll start on that, and basically we're just going to be going over like what I'm seeing in the upcoming days, because if you want that Moon Boy 4-hour daily stuff, go watch another YouTuber. I'm just going to be talking about like what's going to happen in the next couple of days possibly. And so yeah, so if that sounds good to you guys, make sure you guys go down below this video, hit that like and subscribe button, join us on Discord, and follow me on Twitter. And most importantly, if you guys would like to learn how to make $286 in 17 minutes like I did right here, or $312 in an hour and a half like I did right here, or even 4,400% like I did right there, then go down below the video, sign up to BYBIT using my link right here. You can get up to $1,600 for free. And once you do, as a thank you, I will send you guys my course completely for free. There's no catch, there's no gimmicks. All you got to do is sign up and deposit onto this exchange and start trading. If you already have an account with BYBIT or another exchange, that's fine. Just transfer your money over to this new account, transfer your crypto, and start trading. And once you do, you message me on Discord or Twitter, and I will send you this course completely for free as a thank you. And also, too, don't forget, once you join the Discord, also as a thank you, we do have this trade and chill section here where we actually do live trading. So this trade right here that I actually took it live in the Discord. So make sure you guys are joining us there. And without further ado, let's jump back into the video. All right, so what are we seeing currently right now? Well, if we just talk about the past couple of days here, well, first things first, let's look at this. What I was looking at for the group here is I was telling the group that we were looking at some possible ideas here. Where are my ideas? Where are my ideas? Here they are. So calling this yesterday, looking for something around here, like the 44K ish level. And so what ended up happening? Well, we ended up coming here, 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 and now we're here. Not only do we have that, but we do have the golden zone coming in if you pull from the absolute low right there. And you also have a complete and total filling of all of the inefficiencies that are right here with this candle to the upside. So there's a lot of reasons right here in order to possibly get ourselves into a long position, which I am in a scalp long right now, and I'm in a long that I'm looking to... Wait, fuck, I'm in 3 longs. All right, well, I guess I'm in 3 longs. Okay, I just found that out. Thank you very much, Self, for pointing that out. So on one account, I'm going to take profit at these highs right here. Once we take it, I'm actually about to take profit right now on the scalp trade idea. Then on my second account, I'm looking to take profit up above these highs right around 45K. And the reason for that is because of this. We pull our fib from swing high to swing low. You have your 618, and then you also have your 45K psychological. You also have your support and resistance flip right here as well. And you also have some highs to take here, some highs to take here, some highs to take here. Your next level of highs is all the way up here. And on top of that, you would have your daily VWAP coming in around that area. So there's a lot of reasons to be looking at that level for. It depends. If we can get there anytime soon, then I'll look for scalp ideas up there. If we get there later in the day, then I'll probably be asleep and I won't be able to get there. But that's where my take profit is set up for that. Then the next level to the upside that we would be looking at would be if we pulled the fib from all the way to the high down to the low. We would be looking at this area about 46K, because you come up and take these highs, and that would be the area right there that we'd be looking at for possible take profit 2, or a possible area to be looking for shorts. And if we pass that up, then it would just be like, just think of it like this: highs for swing failure pattern, a high for swing failure pattern, high for swing failure pattern, high for swing failure pattern, right? We have no choice but to look at it level to level like that. And then if we continue to go up, again, we've already talked about that. You got basically a 50K, 56K areas that we'd be looking at for long sweat. As far as the daily term, daily levels go, these are the two that we'd be looking at for the day, because again, we just do this on a daily basis, and we also live on a daily basis. So yeah, those are the levels. The 3 levels that we're looking at for the day would be 45K, 45,600, 45,800, and then 46,300. Somebody is making some noise. Oh, that's Brandon. Brandon, I'm doing a video right now, so just to let you know. And to the downside, well, we were doing some technical analysis, and before I forgot to go over like what the price action has been like for these past couple of days. So the price action for the past couple of days has been pretty easy. You come to the highs here, you basically have no buyers at the top. You have your divergences kick in, and then you start to come down. So I'm in a short from right up here, but the risk on that is basically gamete or ovum size. So that's that. And then this high right here, you come up and swing failure that high, you come back down. And then this is where you start to get more of the confluence side of things. So you have this 618, whether you pull the fib from here to here or here to here. You have your golden zone, you have your VWAP, and you have your swing failure pattern of the high right here. So then you start to break yourself down from there. Then another opportunity to get into a short is this. You come down, you do the same thing. 618 into the weekly VWAP, and I just took profit on my scalp short. So let me go ahead and move my stop loss into profit right there. There you go. All right. So, yeah, you had your VWAP, you had your 618, and you had your swing failure pattern into your divergences. You can see your divergences there. And you also had this 5-minute trend line showing up right there. And then we started to come back down. Now we have hit our RSI on the 15-minute. So if we start to break up above the 15-minute RSI and the 30-minute RSI, then we've already done that. So if we get this close, if we get this candle close above, then that means it is, we're going up. So how did we get these highs right here? Well, the way that was traded was you come down, you swing failure pattern these lows while also putting in your divergences. You can see here, you had a low, higher low on the RSI, lower low on the the price action, and then you shoot up into your 618, into your daily VWAP, and then you start to come back down. And then what happens here? You have some lows coming in right about here, and then your next area for lows is right about here. Boom, you come down, take that swing failure, those lows, and then you start to pop back up, and then again, you hit the 618 into the VWAP. And then as you're starting to come down here, what we were talking about on the live stream, which is what I was talking about, which is you have your 3 drives pattern showing up here. You have your drive 1, drive 2, drive 3 into your and then your move to the upside into your 5-minute RSI trend line, as well as double divergences, which is why I was thinking I really actually want to put some decent size on this trade, because this could actually be the low. There's a lot of reasons. On top of that, you were coming down right below, right close to this low right here, which is what Bitcoin likes to do a lot of the times. And so it likes to fake us out like it's going to take the low, and it doesn't. So all of that talk to be said, that was an area that we were looking at for the low. So now that brings up the next question. Where are we looking at for lows? Well, we have a 4-hour order block that we hit right here to the dollar. So, and we also had a daily level that we hit to the dollar, which somebody pointed out in the Discord. Let's see here. I think it was...
Weekly.
Yeah, Arnold. Arnold was watching. We had the weekly open, the daily open. He was calling 438,200 before it even happened, plus the order block. So yeah, he basically called that ahead of time. So congratulations to you, Arnold, for that. And yeah, that weekly open, like Max was saying. What else is there, man? I am exhausted. I've been talking for like 3 hours straight. So yeah, to the downside. What did we come up with? We had these naked pointed controls down here. We have this whole little section right here that we're looking at between 43,600 to $43,000 could be areas that we're just looking for long opportunities. So we could see the price action come up, get some type of rejection somewhere in here. I don't know where, but if we do start to come back down, then we could be looking all in this area, like the 43,000 to 43,600 to 43,000 region for a possible long opportunity. So that way Bitcoin fakes it out and we don't actually take the low. So that's these are basically the levels that we're looking at for the day. So this level right here, which also has a naked point of control, 45K. For the rest of the day for 24 hours. And then down here is where we'd be looking for longs in the next 24 hours, okay? And like I said, I just took profit on my scalp long. And I think the video is long enough now. Yeah, no Moonboy talk, just straight trading. Like I said, in a short with zygote size money right here, in a long with some, I'd say decent size long right here. I should have put like my $1,000 risk that I'm supposed to take. I should have put that down here, but I was too scared. What else is there? I think that's it. Max or anybody else in the trade and chill section, do you guys have anything to say or any posts or anything?
Nothing really. I mean, I posted the levels where I'm looking at.
Oh yeah, so Max posted the levels that he's looking at for the downside. Do you have any updated levels for the upside? Yeah, so Max is basically looking for swing traders like crazy.
I wait for a little bit more price action for shorts.
So yeah, I posted up these ideas here. Darren's mind was basically calling the low on that. Oh yeah, we do have this channel here. Anyways, I feel like I'm just kind of rambling. There's no point in me talking, so I'm gonna go ahead and move on to this. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to go down below, hit that like and subscribe button. We do this on a daily basis. Join the Discord and follow me on Twitter. Most importantly, again, like we were talking about earlier, if you guys want to learn how I made $286 in 17 minutes, or how I was able to make $312 in an hour and a half, or even the super amazing luxurious crazy trade that I took where it's 4,400%. Go down below, join us over on BYBIT. You can get up to 1,600 for free. And most importantly, once you do that, I will send you my course for free. There's no gimmicks. There's no nothing. You don't owe me anything. All you got to do is sign up, deposit money onto the account that you just made, and start trading. Once you do, you message me on Discord or Twitter, and I will send you my course completely for free. And if you already have an exchange with an account with another exchange somewhere else, it doesn't matter. Just take that money, even if it's on BYBIT already, take that crypto, put it onto your new BYBIT account that you used with my link, and I will send it to you. Just message me and let me know that you did that, and we'll hook you up with that. And then also, too, most importantly, when you join the Discord, you will be a watcher. Okay, you'll be a watcher. Just post up your charts. Let me know that you're serious, and then I'll change you from a watcher to a trader or a charter. You can see here, and that gets you access to this